Take.
Okay. All right, so today we're gonna show you how to make a little strawberry patch for your yard, and you can just hang them up using an old colander. So what we've done is had a little colander, and then we've drilled some holes in the side, added the chain, and then just a little S-hook, and then you can hang it straight off of your tree or from your front porch, wherever you want. So we got a little one for the kids, and then a bigger one for the adults. Ready? So, right, if you want to put newspaper on the bottom, you can. You can just fold it. It'll help you keep some of the soil in if you're worried about losing the soil, but you don't even have to do the newspaper if you don't want to. You just stick it down in the thing and it'll save. So these are just an old colander that I had that I use for videoing or taking pictures when I do my blog post. And then I just got this one on Amazon. It was like $10, I think. So you're just gonna put some soil in the little one. So you can start this one. So you just need a little bit to start. And then you're just gonna take your strawberry plant, and we just got these from one of the local farms. Pull them out without destroying the plant. And you're just gonna place it inside the colander, and then just make sure you have the root system kind of to the middle and down in it. And then you're just gonna fill it back up with the soil around it. And you know, they're like little babies, so just be gentle with them. And then you can always just give it a little water. Super simple. And then you have your strawberry plant, and then they're gonna grow, and then they'll just hang out the bottom, and then you can pick your strawberries. So that's the little one. And then we'll do the bigger one. So we already have some of that soil from the other one. And so if you have a bigger colander, you can do 2 of them probably. 2 plants can fit. Just kind of push it up against the sides. And then if you want to try to save yourself some time and making a mess, which you're supposed to anyways in the garden, you can just break it up and kind of move them to the sides, so towards the middle. You want them to be upright so that the root system's kind of protected. And then it's not coming out very easily today. You can just place them so they have a big root system. So you just dig a little hole, make sure that the roots are going down, and then you just fill it back up with garden soil so that they're upright. And then as they get bigger, they will also kind of go off to the sides. So colanders obviously won't have those little tiny holes on the side of them, so you're gonna have to drill a hole to get the little chain to go into it. So just get your husbands to do it for you like I did. Again, like I said, you're gonna make a mess, but make sure you do it, you know, somewhere where you're not worried about the dirt getting everywhere. Brush it all in. And then you just pull the sides up. Of the hole. So just make sure you clip them in a little bit tighter. And then, like I said, they'll grow out and fall to the side, and then you can harvest your strawberries from the side. Super easy, and you can get the kids involved.